What's up, man?
Just bugging.
Hey, what are you doing?
Looking at all the many defects on my secondary overflow tank. Yeah, hole there. And then the hose came across from the primary tank to the secondary tank and it wore a hole in it. And I guess they put RTV here. Yeah, and then look, all the heat stress marks all across it.
Anyways, we got a new one right here from the VanagonMan, James Dimmer, down in
Sarasota.
Yeah, near Merlin area.
Yeah.
And he helped us out, shipped us a good used one,
serviceable.
In the Vanagon world, we've learned that they don't really make aftermarket parts.
And then some of them are just poor quality. Apparently, he said you don't want to buy the aftermarket overflow reservoir.
It even has the little thing that.
So I desperately needed that. So I think that's where my air bubble came from. It drained all this out when we drove it and had a beautiful time the other day and went out and got something to eat. And I looked at it and the temperature was great. I went in here and I looked at the reservoir and it was empty. And I'm like, what the hell happened to my fluid? So it sucked air back in. So I got in touch with James. He hooked me up. It was here like overnight. I got it today, this morning. We talked about it yesterday. He went to UPS and mailed it to me. So now I got it installed in here. Got all my coolant in here. I've got it jacked up. This highest point here is 38 inches. The highest point on the bleeder valve on the radiator is 34 inches. So I'm set to bleed and burp this baby.
Burp chaka.
I got a burp chaka. Yeah, in the land of the lost.
He just, on Amazon, I throw something in the car and I kind of left it in the car and I was joking around saying, you know, it would be nice to watch the Land of the Lost movie, you know, with Chaka and get the origin story, you know, of Chaka.
Yeah.
The modern day version.
And I ordered something and
it just so happened to be in the car.
Chaka.
Land of the Lost.
Not Chaka Khan, Chaka. Chaka Khan, Chaka Khan, Chaka Khan.
Well, check the link down in the description for VanagonMan, aka James. He is the man and will hook you up with some Vanagon parts.
Oh yeah, he's taking care of me. And then look at the service, man. Overnight, boom, I'm ready to go.
And we got to put our sun visor clips on soon.
Oh yes.
So he 3D printed.
Yeah, 3D printed.
Son.
Yeah, they're up there in the glove box. I haven't got around. That's an easy task. I'm trying to get past this, you know.
All right, well, we'll let you know when we're done bleeding, using the bleeder valves and taking it for another ride.
What are you doing? What are you doing, huh? Yeah, look, he loves your daddy, He loves your daddy. Shop dog, shop dog.
Spot the shop dog.
Yeah, clean that spot right there, Spot. Hey, Spot, what about this spot? All right.
Yo, man, what you doing with your Vanagon?
Well, speaking of Vanagon and the VanagonMan, VanagonMan, I put a 12-inch fan in there at his recommendation. He has one in his, and he says normally with the fan off, he's like slightly over 50% on the gauge. With that fan on, he stays below 50%. I put it on, sure enough, that's the case. So, I mean, I really think I got a good cooling system in here now.
You can be coolio while driving your Vanago.
Yeah, my Vanagon. Better go somewhere.
Yeah, he's got a switch right here.
And flip it on.
Sweet.
Don't need to keep. Good to go. Sweet. So for those really hot days when you don't want to wait on your fan to turn on with its relay, which is controlled by the 10 sender, you can flip it on yourself. Like those going up the mountains in North Carolina or something. Be prepared.
Well, guys, we're going for a ride in the Vanagon. $5,000 up on it.
Wow. Good deal. Oh man. And you got the awning on it?
I got everything's in it. AC inside.
Yeah, we don't have the AC in it. It didn't come with AC, but we're going to put electric AC in it. Yeah, that's awesome.
I'm loving it. I love it.
The community is what it's all about.
We've been down Key West twice, Michigan. We've been all over the place.
Oh, yeah. Buggies on the beach. My German son's coming from Munich with his fiance from Italy. Dalton gets to meet his half-brother, and they're all coming for buggies on the beach in Fernando Beach, Florida, up north. There's a 3-day camping event.
Hey, man, we just met another Vanagon
I know.
owner,
He was waiting for us in the golf cart to say, what year is it?
Yeah, and the cool thing is he actually goes and takes his Vanagon to James Dimmer, aka VanagonMan, down in
Sarasota. Yeah, isn't that
so,
awesome?
That was really cool. Small world.
Yep. So we're getting out here in the Vanagon. Yes. Chaka.
Now, hopefully you can hear us well, but the other night, Allie, you guys remember the owner of the 1972 Super Beetle, came down from Green Cove and visited us. We went on a tour where he grew up, and we had a great time and went to Stavros and got some good pizza.
Oh, yeah.
Just a Vanan.
Chaka.
Oh, you left the lights on.
Oh.
dead battery. Come home from dinner and can't go nowhere.
So let's go on our Vanagon adventure.
I am in Volkswagen. We run a YouTube channel. Sight unseen through Pop RV out of Sarasota. I've never bought a car sight unseen, and I'm just blown away. It was just great.
The top is that's so.
And it,
It's my 68 Michigan. I want to bring it down here. It's a 68, but I put it together with the wide 5 wheels. I made it look old school. But I'm gonna look you guys up.
Say up, down, bump you up. Up, down, bump you up. Real loud, say it. No. That wasn't good enough at all.
there you go. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm surprised none of them rolled, man. They just sat there.
Here, look. This is a trick he taught me. You take your foot. And this is what
Where
you
did
do.
you get that
This is
from?
what you do when you think you're a cool guy.
Yeah, and when
And-
you're just an old man.
Yeah, when you're really just an old man that's about to shoot some pool and about to get whooped. Do the stanky leg.
Do the stanky leg. Oh.
Okay, whatever. The next shot.
You?
Yeah, you try on.
Yeah. Okay.
So whatever you use.
Nice.
Gather.
Nice. Nice. Oh. No, that was nice. I might not even get to play.
All the way home.
This one won't be
Is it gonna
easy.
squeeze by the 11?
It'll squeeze by, but I'm not good at long shots.
It
so-
don't matter. Just shoot. Oh, I'm not good at long shots. She didn't even hit the sides. Nothing. Clean cut. Holy
Damn, you're getting whooped.
hell happened?
I tried, Dalton.
Well, thank you. Good job.
Let's bring this game back to where it belongs. So, you can't think about just dumping it. You gotta think about where you're gonna be when you get done dumping it.
Pretty similar to having a kid.
Right? See? You gotta think about where you're gonna
That's
be when
funny.
you get done dumping it. Yeah, hold on here.
Damn, all I got to do was
Hold on,
break
we're gonna go all the way
Let's go all the way.
down. Downtown Julie Brown. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, no. Couldn't shave it, not today.
All I got to do was break it. That's it. You saw that.
I want to see if I can still walk the dog. Oh! Doggy couldn't find the doggy door.
The mess is up. GG. Round 2.
Oh, damn. I suck. Me too. He sucks too.
He does too. I think the only one good here is Mama Buggin.
Yeah, the only one that can play is Mama Buggin.
Food just got here. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna eat and we'll continue this game. Got some quesadillas. We got a black blue burger.
Fish and chips, because I haven't had fish in quite a while.
Yum yum, let's dig in. Alright guys, dinner was really good. Now back to this pool game. Nice. The camera died, but I'm driving us home and we're going to stop at a Wawa and buy a generator to go camping. We're gonna have some power to charge some cameras and some phones while camping. So woohoo! The camera died last night, but we had a great time shooting some pool. He won both games. Mama Buggin almost won the first one. He
Yeah,
was just getting left and right, hitting them all.
Better than the last time.
Yes, definitely better than the last time. But afterwards, went to Wawa, met up with a great guy, and ended up buying a generator. So now we have power, and we could be off the grid with the Vanagon and be able to camp and charge phones. Charge
It's
cameras,
quiet,
whatnot.
too.
Craftsman right here,
3300i.
3300i, and he got it for half price,
Yep.
which is great.
Awesome.
And the only thing,
48 hours on it, that's all.
Yeah, and it was used to charge up an RV, you know, run power,
You got into
you
a
know,
new
lights.
house.
Yeah, it's sweet. It's very quiet. It'd be great.
It's on right now, and it's not even picking up the idle yet.
Yeah.
It's gonna be plenty of 2,500 running watts.
Fridge is back in. Let's go check it out. So as you guys see, he got the cabinet back in, and he's got the fridge.
And I
And if
found
you
the
just
seat
pull
belt
this
underneath
open,
the seat and the spare battery, and yeah, the fridge is on right now. So I'm getting everything charged up and trying to locate things and figure out how the water works and the pump and make sure everything works because we're going to experience our first camping this weekend.
now, a couple days ago, I just so happened to be putting this back, and I was like, why is this starting to come up? And I just told him about that, and he didn't know about this.
Yeah, I
but
didn't know it came up.
I lifted it up, and sure enough, all our seatbelts are there, which is
And
sweet.
auxiliary battery. Wow.
Yeah, we
I'm gonna
thought
put
this was a
charger on
water
it.
tank, but it's not.
Yeah.
It's sweet. So now we actually have protection back here. We can sit back here and not feel like we're just sitting on a couch. We got a little bit of safety. Did not know how to open this up. Now since we got it opened up, we do a load test on that. We
Yeah,
should
I'm gonna
charge it and
do a
everything.
load test. And I'm going to hook up a trickle charger on the battery so that when we're using, you know, power and everything, it'll be charging constantly while the van's plugged in. So we didn't really have enough time for this camping season to get the cabinets done. So we're going to make use of what we have. It's not the most appealing looking with this, you know, like drawer tape stuff, you know, you used to put down inside your kitchen drawers for your silverware. Yeah, we'll just wait until the spring or something when we are done with all our events throughout the year and have some cabinets made, and we'll have these taken out so they can duplicate them.
Do the same dimensions,
Yeah,
just
the
with
same
modern day
dimensions.
wood and
Yeah,
nicer
something to
look.
that effect.
Definitely somebody that I think has amazing cabinetry is, I think their Instagram is Hippie Snap, so I'll pop that up somewhere around here. And I've shown you it before. They're a couple and they do cabinetry in different types of bay window buses and
Out of
stuff.
where?
I'm not exactly sure where they're out of, but I'll pop up some of their work. It is beautiful looking.
Wow.
They had all the like lines, you
Right.
know, etched into the side of the
We'll spend
cabinetry.
some time this fall, you know,
And look at other
taking
Vanagons.
people's and taking pictures and throwing them in a folder so we can go show ideas to whoever we choose to, whoever wants to do this. So hit us up if you're close to Central Florida area or something and you want us to promote you. And of course, you're not going to do it for free just so we be promoted, but we want to make a video of someone doing this.
You hear that?
But compressor's on.
Something I do want to talk about, when we first got this, Mama Buggin got there's a bag up here and it had a bunch of extra old curtains in it and stuff. And when we purchased this, they asked us if we wanted to keep this in there, and they're handmade and they go for the bottom and top, and we love them. So we kept them. Now, these were the original covers. We've taken all the covers off and washed them. But look at those right there.
Indian.
Yeah, Indian Aztec style, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, but we also found this too, which is going to be great to cover up the front. And then now we have a curtain that will go from behind the seats so we can be able to fully have it blacked out when we want to sleep in here. Yeah, that looks pretty sweet. And there is matching, but we like these. We're going to leave that for now. But yeah, we got a bunch of padding up here too, so we're going to see how it is. I'm going to climb up here sometime and see how comfy it is. Same with down there. And this weekend, we're going to be going to Sergio's 50th birthday.
And Aircooled parts. We'll hang out with Charlie Friday night, and then Saturday afternoon we'll load up in the Vanagon and go over for a surprise 50th birthday party. I know he knows he's going to have a 50th birthday party, but we'll all surprise him with special guests arriving and everything, and we'll take Charlie and have a good time. We'll set up our Vanagon again and we'll sleep over there.
Yep, and
go driving.
something we're definitely going to have to do is go in there and look at our records and pick out 2 records
yes, we
for
have to do
Sergio.
that this time. No buying records. We have records. I'm sure we have doubles of something he'll enjoy.
Yep, so time to get the rest of the Vanagon all put together and see how it is going to be for this weekend.
Awesome. Can't wait.
Hey man, wasn't that a good video?
Yeah, it was. This time we played a little better pool than last time.
Yeah, we did. But as you see, James Dimmer helped us out with that overflow tank.
Oh yeah, better than the aftermarket ones apparently. Yeah.
Yep, and we got that external fan on there.
Yep.
Keeping it all cool like Coolio.
She's running great. Yep, she's cool, all right.
Yeah. We hope you're enjoying the Vanagon series. If so, please definitely show some love by hitting that like button, commenting down below what your favorite part is, and also hitting that subscribe button, because you know what? We want to hit the 2,000 subscribers so we can give you guys another giveaway for our video lovers.
Right. Let's try to make it before Christmas this time. Yeah. Last time.
But hey, wasn't it cool actually, you know, running into 2 VW lovers, you know, locally. We just ran into one that had a Vanagon that actually gets serviced by James.
Before we even get out of the Vanagon, he's in his golf cart behind me and wanting to tell me about his Vanagon. That's cool. We met another Vanagon owner.
That actually knows James
Boy,
Dimmer.
he got a great deal on that one.
Yeah.
5K. Wish I could
Damn.
get that 5K.
And then that's a sweet 68 white bug that man had too.
Yeah.
But as you saw towards the end, we mentioned Sergio's video will be the next one, so stay tuned for
And
that.
don't forget Charlie.
Yes, and Charlie.
We don't know how long that video is going to be, so
Yes.
it might be 2-part series, or you know.
We'll see, but stay tuned for that video. And this weekend we're going to Auburndale Bug Fest for 2022 down in Auburndale,
We didn't
Florida.
get
Of
to
course,
go last
we didn't get to
year.
go last year because there was another event going on. Yeah, so we're gonna have a great time. 3 days camping with a bunch of great VDUB lovers. So if you ain't out there, I don't know where you are, and we're gonna have fun with it without you. So you better
And we're
come on
heading
out.
We're heading out probably somewhere around noon, wouldn't you say?
Friday. Yeah, we're gonna ride with the Ocala VW Riders group, which
We're
is ran by
hoping that
Dennis.
we all can get together.
That's the plan.
So that's what I'm trying to say is anyone that wants to ride out with us, let us know what time it is and maybe it'll work with us. We're not set in stone exactly when we're going to be riding out, but let us know where you are. Like, we'll be riding by there, so maybe we can just set up a time. Hey, what time are you going to be around? Oh, I'll be at Circle K at 1:30 or something. So
Yeah.
let us know, and
Go
maybe
out in
we'll
the
meet up
convoy.
and we'll 1 here, 3 there, 6 here, and next thing you know 12 of us are rolling in there.
Yep.
So be there, man, or be
Be
square,
there,
or
yeah.
I don't know where you are if you're not at one of these events.
For
man.
real, right?
At
That's-
the Auburndale event.
That's
yeah.
the VDUB life. Go out there and let's have a great time. So thanks for watching this video. Definitely show it some love if you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for all the great videos in the Vanagon series. Hope you're enjoying it.
Chaka.
Chaka.
Dalton and G-Man, is this it? That was your ball. But that's my ball. What do we got? Oh, yes. You know, like I always said, man, it's just another application, man. This was an easy vehicle to work on. You know, they say Vanagons run hot all the time. You know what? Very sophisticated cooling system for back in the day. There's a lot of things that need to be maintained and upgraded throughout the years. And if they fail, that doesn't mean it's a poor system. It just means you didn't maintain it.